Hello, guys. Good morning. Welcome to our live trading session for today. As usual, we'll be analyzing the market and we'll be looking for entry opportunities. If this is your first time of joining uh, the live stream, you're welcome. So, what we do here, as I've said earlier, is I analyze the market live and I give out live signals. So, make sure to have a real money in your account. Trust me, if you are here and you are planning to, trade my signal on demo account, you'll be wasting your time. All right. We've had good winning rate over the months, and our advice, you fund your account. And if you fund your account on this live stream, aside, um, taking my signal, you also be eligible to join my premium group. Yeah, I have a premium group where I give signals, market analysis, and market reports. All right. So to join the signal group, all you have to do is fund your account on this live stream. All right. You see that banner where deposit with benefit is written on. If you click on the banner, it will take you to the deposit page. So when you get to the deposit page, if you deposit $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. Okay. So guys, let's head on to the live chat. Let's make analysis and see if we can get an opportunity. So I'm currently on USDCAD. All right, this is the United States dollars against the Canadian dollar. So as we can see on the chart, the market has been bearish. Okay, this is the 30 minutes time frame. Let's head on to 2 hours. Okay, so as you can see from this level to this level, the market is bearish. The market is still bearish because this high wasn't taken out. So the market is still trading within the bearish zone. All right, it's still trading within this level. Okay, the market didn't go above the level, it's still trading below the level. So the market can still, still be considered as a bearish market. All right. So before we can start looking for buy opportunity, the market would have taken out, let's say, this high. Okay, this is not a high yet because this is not a valid high yet because we don't have a low. Let's see. Yes, we don't have a low. What we have is equal low. All right. So that's what the retailers call double bottom. Okay. So what we have here is equal low, and I think the market is going to take out this equal low because when we have equal low, such areas are considered as liquidity areas. Okay, they're considered as liquidity zones, right? And market is supposed to take out liquidity before making the bigger move. So I'm expecting the market to, take out this low, maybe sell a bit, and then come back to retest any one of these fair value gaps. All right, before it continues its trend to the downside. So we're still on the 2 hour time frame. Now let's quickly make analysis. I want to delete everything here and make fresh analysis. Okay. So let's take everything out and make fresh analysis. So guys, I just want to see, what's going on here. Okay. So I want to make the chart readable. Okay. I want to make it comprehensive so that, we get the exact picture of what is going on here. So around this level, we had a liquidity purge. Okay, so yes, this can be considered as a liquidity purge because the market went back to create, to form this shift in market structure, right? So and then after the movement of the market to the upside, you see the market came back down again to make the second retest, which is around this level. So I think there's another block here on the lower time frame, and that is why the market had reversed. So that's why the market reversed back, to mitigate the level. And then for this movement downwards, okay. So aside that, we also have the second movement, and this happened within this range. So I think the market came back for this other block, mitigated it, and then went up. All right. So these are the levels, the break of structures, and the change of characters that has happened previously in the market. So this is price action, and you need price action to be able to predict the next move of the market. So now let's see where the market is heading to. Okay, so we have this equal lows. Yes, equal lows can push the market to the upside. And as I've said earlier, I said I think the market would want to take out the low, which is the previous low around this level. Right now, what we have is an equal low. Okay, and equal lows are liquidity zones. All right, equal lows are liquidity zones. So I'm just gonna label that as my liquidity level. All right, so now we have a liquidity around there, and we expect the market to go down further. Okay, we expect the market to take out the liquidity and then continue to go down. All right. So the market is going to take out this liquidity. Maybe after taking it, the market can actually reverse. Sorry, be using downtrend instead of uptrend. All right. So when the market takes out the liquidity, I expect the market to go, to dive in deep into the 50% of the other block and then make a retracement back. So all of these levels are inducement levels. Okay, these are levels the market had induced earlier. So this is an inducement level. So after taking out the level, I expect the market to go bullish. Now let's go to the area where we had the other block. I want to confirm if that level is an order block level. Okay, so yeah, what we have there is actually another block, right? So what we have there is another block. I think the market is trying to dive in more deep and do its usual thing, which is reverse or continue to go down. All right, so we also have a little liquidity purge over there. All right, so this is my analysis on USD CAD. Right? And I strongly believe that we have the opportunity to buy once the market, touch this level. And I expect the market to go below the level, create the inducement I spoke about earlier. And after the inducement, I expect the market to go up. All right, so I think we've spent too much time on this analysis, though it's necessary because you want to be patient with your analysis. If not, you just end up losing your money. All right, so the opportunity I'm looking for is when the market gets to this level, okay, which is the level on the 1 hour time frame. All right, so let's analyze another pair. We are done with USDCAD. Okay, let's analyze GBP AUD. Okay, so we haven't analyzed our favorite pair, which is XAUUSD. So let's see what's going on with the gold market. So you see, this market has been ranging for quite a while now. Okay, the market has been ranging, and you can see the up and down movement on XAUUSD. The levels have been breached multiple times, and after the breach, the market will still go back, retest the level and then break it to the opposite side again. So let's use the trend line here. So you see, we can clearly see that this is a retest. Okay. So how do I know this is a retest? You see, on this level, the market tried to break this. Okay. The market actually tried to break this level. We have a level here. Okay. The market had earlier tried to break the level with this bullish candle, but the market ended up closing below the trend line. And then the next candle closed above with a huge bullish candle. All right. So you see this uh, um, big green candle. Okay, so this is dominating the bulls, right? It's showing the strength of the bulls, which simply means that the bulls are still in power. So now let me show you another thing. So the whole of this level, the whole of this area is actually a level, right? The whole of that area is a level. Um, so on the norms, we have to wait for the market to actually break this whole level before we can look out for, buying opportunity. But for me, I think I've had more than enough confirmation to actually place a buy trade here. So one of the things I got is my trend line first, which indicates that there's a break of structure, and the retest is currently happening. Okay. So aside that, let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see if there's any other, key pointing out a bullish trend. And then we had a rejection. And aside the rejection, we have a candle that tried breaking the level previously. That is this candle, the one I explained earlier. So this candle actually tried to break the trend line. It failed to break it though, and the market, the candle got sucked down back inside the trend line. And then the second attempt was successful because the market was bullish, went straight up and closed with a huge candle on the 2 hour time frame. All right. So aside all of this, we have the market retesting the trend line, and you can see how the candle that actually tested the trend line ended. The candle ended with a long wick and a very small body, which indicates a rejection on that level. So what this simply means is we have a break, a retest, and I am expecting a buy. All right. So this is a buy trade. All right. This is a buy trade, and this is confirmed from the analysis I made from the 2 hour down to the 30 minutes time frame. Okay. Then we have our two moving average crossing below the candle, right? So you see the candle closed above the two moving average. That also indicates a buy opportunity. But what we're going to do here is let's wait for this current candle. We have less than 2 minutes to the end of the candle. So let's see how the candle ends. If we get the second rejection, yes, that means the level is confirmed and the trend is going to be bullish. It's just going to continue to go up. Then we can open a buy position. But if not, then we make analysis from another instrument. All right. So let's just wait for the close of the candle. Have less than 2 minutes. All right. So less than a minute now. right? Few seconds more to the end of the candle. So hopefully this candle closes with a small body above and a long wick below. All right, nice, nice, nice. All right, so the candle closed, and let's go to the lower time frame here. So you see, the reason why, yeah, I was actually looking for this earlier. So this is another reason why I think this market is going to go up from this level, because when we had this breakout, you see, we had a break of a level. So if we go to the lower time frame, we'll be able to see that we had a level here and the market broke out of the level. So the market actually came back to retest this level, which is a valid support level. Okay. So even if this market is going to continue downwards, trust me, it's going to make some bearish moves. Okay. And we can actually take advantage of the bearish move that the market is going to make. Right. I don't want us to make a hasty decision on XAUUSD. That is why I haven't made a call for the buy. Okay, because I see a lot of rejection, and remember something, guys. Where we have a lot of rejection, usually that is a liquidity zone for the SMC. Okay, so and where we have liquidity zone, the market is sure going to take out liquidity. All right, the market will surely take out liquidity. So let's just wait and see how this goes. All right. All right. So guys, let's make analysis from another pair. We can come back to XAUUSD to see if we have a proper rejection. Okay. So let's go to Solana USDT. All right, so on Solana USDT, you can see how the market reached the level and created that long bearish candle to break out the level, and earlier on yesterday I was making an analysis, and I was making this analysis and figured that we had a fair value gap here, a hidden fair value gap. So I drew out the fair value gap and said if the market gets to this level, the market is going to buy for a little time. Yes, the market did bought for a while. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. You see, so we have the movement from here to this level. So let's see if I had taken this trade, how much would I have made? How many pips would I have gotten from such movement? So I want to see my risk to reward ratio. So you see, my entry would have been from the 50%, and then my take profit would have been on this high. So yes, I would have made my usual 1.5 risk to reward ratio. All right. All right. So this is the analysis for Solana USDT. Let's go check on our XAU USD analysis, see if there's a progress. All right, so it's still the same, guys. Okay. So let's analyze BTC USDT. So while I was making the analysis on Solana USDT, it took some time to make analysis on BTC USDT too, and this is what I came out with. This is my entry point, and you see how the market, almost took me out of the market before hitting take profit. All right. All right. So, all right. So this is BNB USDT. So let's see. Um, okay. So let me see. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. I want to see where this market is heading to. Right. So confirmations are necessary if you want to get the right direction. So for this trade right now, we have this level. We have okay. So we have two levels here on the 4 hour time frame, and the market is going to reverse from any one of those. All right. So we've already, gotten a tap into the support level, and it seems the market is already rejecting the level. Okay, it seems the market is already rejecting the level. So if that's the case, what I'm expecting the market to do here before I open a position is I expect the market. Okay, I expect the market to go above this. Okay, I expect the market to go above this level. So once I get a confirmation, uh, so before we actually get the confirmation, the market needs to do this. So the market needs to take out this level, you know, uh, 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 test, and then move up. All right, this is what I expect the market to do. So this is what I'm expecting from the market. So the analysis was made from the lower time frame, the 15 minutes time frame to be precise. All right, so hopefully this plays out. Okay, so another 15-minute candle just ended. Guys, let's quickly check on XAUUSD. Oh wow, you see the market is already making the bullish move. I think we've gotten the rejection we wanted. Okay, the rejection we hoped for. If you want to read this with me, you're welcome to do so. So I'm going to open a buy position on XAUUSD with a stop loss below this level. So in case you took the trade with me, let me just write out the take profit and the stop loss for you guys. All right. All right. So we have the take profit and the stop loss for our trade. Okay, so I think we have analysis on USDCAD. Okay, but the requirements still haven't met. We need the market to take out the double O, the equal O, and buy. All right. So let's take a look at USDJPY. All right, so this is below our the previous trend line. So let's head on to the 1 hour time frame. All right, on the 1 hour time frame, the market is making bearish moves. All right, we have a long candle that got rejected from this zone. Okay, but this was due to the USD news that affected the market yesterday. Right, so I think the market is going to continue to go bearish. Um, we have the retest that happened here earlier, and the market is currently making bearish moves. Okay, and then we also have the break of structure, which is the break from the trend line, right? So I think the market is going to continue to go down, and we can use this as our and this level as our take profit. Okay, I don't want to go down too much because we have a fair value up there. So I'm just gonna stay within this range and can shift my flows. All right. Right. All right. So we have a trade running, which is XAUUSD, and guys, please make sure to watch your trade. Once you start making good profit, make sure to close positions. All right, it's very important. And when I get another good signal from the analysis we've made, I'm going to share to the group. All right. And if you are not yet a premium member, I'll suggest you fund your account on this live stream to join the premium group. All right. And um, you're not even paying to join the premium group. You just need to fund your trading account. All right. But it needs to be done on this live stream. So if you click on the banner where deposit with benefits is written on, you'll be redirected to the deposit page. So when you get to the deposit page, if you deposit up to $10 will get you into the premium group for 2 weeks. If you deposit up to $15 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And if you deposit up to $200 will get you into the premium group for 1 month. And then you also get a one-on-one live trading session with me. All right. So guys, that will be all for today. Yeah. So our session is, as usual, scheduled for just an hour, and we've spent more than an hour. So guys, make sure to check your trade, as I've said earlier. And once you're making good profit, make sure to close your positions. All right. So I'll see you on our next live trading session. Enjoy the rest of the day and bye for now.